Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 3 part 1st. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me what is polynomial. Polynomial is very easy. You can ask question to me very easily. What is polynomial? So, firstly I want to describe about polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. Polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion? Very good. Now I want to describe type of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term based polynomial. Second, degree based polynomial. Term based polynomial are many. Term based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. It is clear? Term based polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. Degree based polynomial are many, namely linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Type of polynomial is clear? No confusion about polynomial? Very good. Now I want to describe how you can find the value of k if px and gx are given. If px and gx are given, how you can find the value of k? Gx means divisor, px means dividend. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. It is clear? We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the word with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So, do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? Do not forget like, subscribe and share. It is very important for me. My words is clear? Very good. See the word. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4. Question 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px in each of the following cases. Question is clear? Question third part first. Px equal to x square plus x plus k. It is clear? It is given polynomial. Means it is dividend and x minus 1 is the divisor. You find the value of k. It is clear? Firstly, you find the value of x. Firstly, you find the value of x. Then you put the value of x in given polynomial. If resultant become 0, then x minus 1 is factor of given polynomial. And you compare both right side and left side. In this way you can find the value of k. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. See the word. Px equal to x square plus x plus k is given polynomial. Is given polynomial. It is given polynomial. Clear? X minus 1 gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor. Hence x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor. Hence x minus 1 equal to 0. You can write minus 1 on right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Here it is minus 1. It becomes plus 1 on right side of equal. Clear? You can write it as x equal to 1. You find x equal to 1. It means x equal to 1 is 0 of given polynomial px equal to x square plus x plus k. Here x minus 1 is divisor. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. Clear? Put x equal to minus 1 in px equal to x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. It is clear? P1 equal to 1 square. Here x plus k. It is px equal to x square plus x plus k. Clear? Here it plus k. Clear? X 1 square plus 1 plus k equal to 0. It is clear? You can write it P1 equal to 1 multiply 1. Here x square, here 1 square. Means 1 multiply 1, 2 times. Clear? Plus 1 plus k equal to 0. It become P1 equal to 1 multiply 1 become 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. It become P1 equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus k equal to 0. P1 equal to 2 plus k equal to 0. Now you can write it as hence 2 plus k equal to 0. You can write 2 on right side of equal. Clear? 2 write on right side of equal. It becomes k equal to 0 minus 2. It becomes 0 minus 2. Here 2 is with plus sign. When you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 2. Clear? Plus 2 become minus 2 on right side of equal. Clear? You can write it k equal to minus 2. Answer. You find k equal to minus 2. It is your answer. Question is find the value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px in each of the following cases. First px equal to x square plus x plus k. You find very easily the value of k equal to -2. It is clear, no confusion about it. Solution is easy. You can solve any question and you can find the value of any number a, b, x, y, z, so on by the help of this solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. Solution is clear, no confusion. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.